To transfer cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to a Ledger Nano X, start by opening the Crypto.com app and navigating to the Accounts section, where you'll find the Crypto Wallet option. This will display a list of all the cryptocurrencies you currently own. So select the one you want to transfer, such as USDT. Ensure you have a balance of the chosen cryptocurrency in your Crypto.com account. Then proceed to the transfer option and choose Withdrawal. Select External Wallet and then Add Wallet Address. Choose the desired network, such as ERC20, and enter your Ledger Nano X wallet address for the selected cryptocurrency. To find this address, open the Ledger Nano X app or website, click on Deposit, and choose the same cryptocurrency. Follow the on-screen instructions. Verify your address, and note the receive address displayed on your Ledger Nano X. Paste this address into the Crypto.com app, add a wallet name, and confirm the deposit. Your cryptocurrency will then be transferred to your Ledger Nano X.